Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Cook with Madam Chi. I'm a trained chef. You can come to my channel. I'll be teaching you how to cook Nigerian dishes and international and continental dishes. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. We'll be showing different dishes, both in continental and African dishes. So thank you. Hi, this is Madam Chi Kitchen. Today I want to prepare Ogbono soup. This my recipe is for Ogbono soup. This is grounded Ogbono. This is cow head. This is stock fish. This is dry fish. This crayfish. This onions, diced onions. This bitter leaf. This pepper. This is maggi. So now I want to prepare. I will add red oil on fire and start the soup.
These are the ingredients for preparing Ogbono soup.
Let me put, I've added my red oil.
That's why my heart is a beat like do Cause now you I choose, so I am fair, me I am fair. I sing for you, wanna be like do baby, now you I go pick up, I am fair, me I am fair. What there is
Inside the red oil. Now add the Ogbono, grounded Ogbono. I'm frying the Ogbono. So I'll leave it a bit to burn. Let me add the stock inside the fried Ogbono. I will add the rest of the stock. Adding the grounded pepper. The crayfish. The crayfish. See the stock fish. I'm adding the stock fish. I'm adding the dry fish. I've washed it with hot water. I've washed it. So now add the cow leg, cow head meat. I'm adding the Maggi. I'm adding the Maggi cube. Adding the Maggi cube. I'm adding the Maggi cube. A little salt. Now I cover it. So now I want to test it. I add my vegetable. So I'm adding now the bitter leaf. So now it's enough.
First let me say to you,
This is our prepared
I cannot
Ogbono
wait
soup.
to see you. You are the treasure I've been waiting